How to change Snapchat to dark mode. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing the Snapchat to dark mode. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. Go ahead and launch it. And also make sure that you have given all the necessary permissions to this app and you're logged in with your specific account. Now, go ahead and tap on the avatar icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and there you will see the option of app appearance, that is between session management and my reports option. Now you'll get 4 different options of match system, always light, always dark, and custom app theme. For this video, as we're looking to change the Snapchat to dark mode, we're going to go ahead and select always dark. As my phone is already in the dark mode and it was set to match system, so my Snapchat was already in the dark mode. So this was all about it. This is how you can go ahead and change your Snapchat to dark mode. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.